be showing you the new update we got. Right, Dan?
Yep.
And you know on computers, if you look at those Redstone they can read on, there's actually a light sensor. And look at this, there's a bunny. bunny. And I'll show you, there's different power wells. And these. And watch this, Dan. If I go like this, it's cool. No ton, no. What is this? Hey, what does this say?
Activator?
Oh, that's what I want.
No.
Then we do that. And then watch this, Dan. And you put. I don't know if this will work. It's a minecart. What are all these doors, guys?
I don't know. Click them, see what they say.
Iron door. What does that say?
It says, is that an O or a C? Ikea door? I never heard of that.
What are cool, guys? And, oh, look at this, a locked chest. Chest, what does that say?
Trapped chest.
Oh, you don't want that. You could trick your friends. So, what, oh yeah, I'm looking for a minecart. And go. What's this? You know in the old update, this will be like lighting up the power wells. Now, you have to do this. You have to get this. And boom.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Did you see? Watch this. Watch the redstone light up.
Oh, wow.
Watch. I think this will work. I hope it will. Do they have any music? Oh, there's some bunny rabbit stuff. Bunny rabbit. Too. You guys, I'm going to show you the new doors. That's the regular door, I think. Is it? That's the regular door. We don't need that. No. There we go. No. And I know. And now I need. What should I use, Dad?
Diamond.
Really? Yeah. Watch this. No, that didn't work. Oh, that's stone. There we go. Whoa.
Right, stop it so we can put it on YouTube. Thanks, guys.
These guys are